Hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here. I guess a video back, it'll be a video back now, or the last one before this, you heard me do a little rant about copyright and stuff like that. And I said I wasn't going to do any more music. Well, I found a website. It's actually, I've known about it for quite a while. I just haven't used it. It's called Silverman Sound. And I'm going to put the link down in the video, in the description area. The way it reads, and I've read over and over and over it, and as long as you do, an attribute or link to it, and whatever, you are supposed to be able to use these audio clips or these these music clips. So I cut my intro way back, shortened it up, and I picked out some songs, and Cheryl and I went through them, and we ended up with 3, and now we're going to leave it up to you guys. So I will label them 1, 2, and 3, and if you would, down in the comments area, just put a number. Tell me which one you like, and the one that gets the most votes is the one we're going to use. So anyway, here they are. Okay, guys, let me know what you thought. Let me know which one you wanted to pick. And I can tell you this for sure. If I get any more copyright issues, this will be my last attempt at any kind of music or anything. I mean, it's unbelievable. You could, I did everything I was supposed to do with my opening song. It's been on there forever, and, that now all of a sudden it's, I can't use it unless I give them the revenue. Well, alright guys, that's enough whining. Anyway, like I said, pick it, let me know, and we'll start using it.